Hey guys, it's Drew. Welcome back to Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. And I want to thank you guys again for 5,000 subscribers. And the video just before this, I'm doing a giveaway that's valid till January 7th of 2019. So if you haven't clicked on the video, it's a little long. I think I made it too long. But basically what I want you to do is watch the part of the video, as much as the video as you want. It tells you a little bit about me. And then comment on below and then tell me what your favorite video is out of all my videos other than car won't start. That's the most popular one, and that'll get you entered into a drawing for a Google Home Mini. I'm giving away 2 of those, and then 3 of those are going to my other subscribers who've already been notified. Okay, so here we go. This is a common video. If it's something, it's about putting air in your tires. So if you're not, it may not be as interesting to you as some folks want to see. But anyway, so when you start your car, if you see that, now it's going to go away for a minute because I just turned on the car. But when you see, okay, so everything on my dash is good. You always want to pay attention to your dashboard lights. There it goes. I heard the little ping and it popped up. Now, when I first saw this, I got a little scared. I thought it was like a check engine light. Okay, it's kind of hard to focus on it because it's dark. See if it'll show up there. There you go. It's a little squishy thing with a caution mark or exclamation point in the middle. I was like, what the heck is that? This is on a 2008 PT Cruiser. Okay, so I think it's valid for models 2000 through 2001. Anyway, a lot of cars, it does look like that little thing right there. That means you need air in your tires. Now, what you got to do is find out which tire it is, first of all. I know which tire it is. I've had a leak in this tire for a while, but you can go to a garage like Costco or Sam's Club, and they'll usually put air in all your tires and check all your tire pressure. But your first step is you got to find out which tire it is, and then I put my parking brake on here because the car's running, okay, because I'm going to leave it run to show you guys how it goes away. So I've got my trusty Ryobi handheld air compressor here. I love this. And it's getting dark out here. Man, I hate it when it gets dark at 5 o'clock. It's 5:15 right now and it's dark. Now, I've already taken the cap off because it's dark out here. So we're going to put this on here and we're going to pump it up. And it might take a little while here. You can see on the Ryobi air compressor that it's got the pressure. I think on this car I need about 35 psi. This tire was really low. So we're going to pump this up and we're going to make that little symbol go away. Now, if you don't know which tire it is, you got to get an air gauge and check on them. But this is a handy tool to have, especially when you got stuff like that. So we'll continue to go on here. And the PSI is not going up too much. We'll probably get it to 35. See, there it is, going up 32, 30. We want to get up to 35. Now, if you're wondering where to find what pressure to put this up to, this is another obvious for a lot of people. It's in your front door. I'll show you that in a minute, okay? Okay, so we're at about 35 now. I'm not going to disconnect that yet. Let's see if the light went away. No, it hasn't gone away yet, so I still need to put a little more air in there. Okay, but let's show you right now. In your door, it depends on the model car. Right here is where it shows the PSI for your car. My goodness, it's dark. But anyway, just so you know, that's where it is on a PT Cruiser. And on other cars, sometimes it's right here in the door as well. That might also be, oh, there, actually, that's the car. I think that's the tires. There it is with tires. I don't know what that's also tire pressure too. So somebody put it on more than one car. But anyway, that's how you're going to know what to inflate it to. And the camera's sideways. Just double check. I thought it was supposed to be 35. Maybe it's just delayed. Front, it shows front and rear. And it's still there. So we're going to pump some more air in. Because the compressor may not be working right. And it's dark. The wide shot of the car is... I should have turned the flashlight on my thing. Get it up to 40. Maybe 40 will Okay, I actually want, oh, you know what I'm going to do also? I'm going to take this off. Because I think that's actually close. Now, don't forget to put your cap back on when you're pumping out. I just wanted to show you guys how quick that goes back. Okay, it's still there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the car off. Turn back on because I think it's going to reset. It's very, there it goes, see? Okay, so sometimes it'll stay on there. I probably overpumped that tire, but it's got a leak, so 40 isn't too bad. You don't want to overdo the air pressure. No, it's back on again. Well, I'm going to continue to pump it up. Anyway, just so you know, that's, actually, it's probably one of the other tires too. So I need to check the other tires because you don't want to go over 40 PSI. So I probably got low pressure. So I'm going to put air in all 4 tires. Just so you know, that's what that is. That means you need air in your tires. It's not a check engine light or anything like that. And if you don't put air in your tires, you can ruin your tires if they're new, and you can also, you can actually get a flat on the road because, you know, so hey guys, this is Drew. I know this is a video everybody knows about already. There's a couple folks out there that probably don't know about tire pressure and what that little light is on a PT Cruiser. So thanks for watching, and if this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up. I'm just making content, so it's something to show you guys that I actually had to look this up in the book, what that little dot was. I thought I was having an engine problem right after I bought the car. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button and get notifications. Have a good one. So guys, here's an update. If you saw in the last part of the video that the oops, we got a wreck up here. That's always fun. Oh boy. All right, well, to be continued here. I was driving. We're gonna move on here. There's a wreck. Wow, talk about perfect timing to do a video, huh? Okay, well, we'll go back to it. Okay, so good thing I wasn't distracted, right? The tire gauge, the little tire caution is now gone. So basically, once it takes a couple minutes, I guess, to go away. So once you pump your tire pressure up to the point where it's supposed to be, drive your car around a little bit before you freak out about the little sensor not going off, because it went off. And I'm happy about it. So like I said, I put all the tires back up to 35 PSI, and you can find that in your door. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and hit that, like I said, thumbs up and subscribe and get notifications, and you guys have a wonderful one. That is so funny. I'm stuck in traffic here that we witnessed that accident just seconds after I turned on the camera. All right, guys, have a good one. Thanks.